Are you ready for compa? Cause we're ready to compa.
Seul sur le sable, les yeux dans l'eau, mon rêve était trop beau. L'été qui s'achève, tu partiras à 100 000 lieues de moi.
Ça c'est 5 là. I'm out here with KOTR, Konpa on the Rise, and we're looking for the best Konpa dancers out here, alright? So if you know how to dance Konpa, you got the best Konpa move, just submit a 90-second video. Just a 90-second video with your best Konpa moves. I just released a single with Olivier Duret, okay? Kitem. I'll be looking for the best choreography to that song. Ça c'est 5 là, and I'm out.
Yes, I'm so excited about this contest, man. So please go to pakitem.wikotr.com. There we have a list of rules and regulations as to what you can and cannot do in the video. Alright, so go and check it out. Listen to the song. The song is Pakitem. That's to the latest single by Seklan and Olivier. Alright, so submissions are now, the moment you see this video. Alright, so go and submit your video.
Yes, ça c'est full mix. Touch on to a good and submit your video. Do it now. Let's go.